hat. You put it in the hat and then you put it in the house.
I haven't got a hat.
A hat?
I haven't got a hat. Oh, it's coming out your side. It's coming out your side because I crunched a leaf.
Where is it? Oh, it's there. Does anyone have gloves? No.
There's gardening gloves on the grass. Keep an eye on it there now.
Oh.
It's coming that way. Out, my little Rosa Ruby can get it then. Oh, let's hope that don't fly.
Oh, I'm going to get it.
You don't stand on it.
It's here.
That's there, look.
Wow, it's fast. Do you want me to...
Whoa. You got there?
Woodlouse.
That's quite big, isn't it, Beans?
Yeah.
That might be the biggest woodlouse I've ever seen. Why you have it on your hand, Bean?
Abby, come here. Oh, it's going up your arm.
Beans, it's going up your sleeve, mate.
Oh, no. Can you get rid of all the snails on the wall?
Oh, darling.
Put them back. Bean, what are you doing now?
Escargot, Elsie.
Oh, what the hell is wrong with you, Bean?
He's a typical boy, that's what he is. Have you got sun cream on?
Yes.
What is he? Is he a spider or an ant?
I think it might be a woodlouse spider, you know. One of only 2 deadly spiders in Britain.
Oh, great. My hand's near it.
So, Bean, can I make a lunch?
Yeah. He's just waiting for me to do the...
Is it your first time making lunch?
Yeah.
You have 5 seconds to name me 3 things you would eat for lunch.
Strawberries, bagel, hammer.
Yeah. Oh, he just freaked. That's not even CGI, that looks like CGI. That's a genuine bug on my arm. Another bug to add to the weird collection, a green snail. That's right, I have not edited the colour, that is an actual green snail. And in pulling up all this grass, it's really difficult to pull up. But I have a grass allergy. So, see you in a bit, guys. Yes, waiter. Ask me what I want for lunch.
Okay.
Okay, so we have a magic 8 ball. I'm gonna give it a shake and ask you some questions. Will I hit 10k subs on Cold Kicker? Oh, positively, sick. Would I hit 100 subs on Legitimate Lols? So let me give it a proper shake. Dude, it's not working. No! Oh, that's an L. Will quarantine last all year? What does it say? Can't say now. Okay. Will I fail my GCSEs? looks like yes. Screw this magic 8-ball, dude. But when I actually kicked the ball at the end of that hyperlapse, it actually landed in this tree. So we're going to attempt to get it back.
Give it so I will give it. There's stingers.
No, there ain't no stingers.
Can I have a pick?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Let's see what happens in this stick.
Oh. Nice kick. It's the bird on your shoulder.
Woo! Flew off.
Oh. It's the bird on your shoulder.
Woo! Flew off.
Oh.
Will it poke me if I stroke it? You can stroke it. It don't miss.
It's alright. It won't bite you.
Want it stroking? Really? But you're not very
Carefully,
careful.
Bean. You don't stroke the dog very carefully, Bean.
You should name it.
I'm going to stand on this ball.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're having a competition to throw a ball as high on this wall as they can. Yeah, whoever gets the highest wins. Okay, that's Elby. Yeah, aim for about there. Okay, Lily, Willow, do you want to go?
No.
You don't want to go? Oh, I think I was out of shot.
Lily, when you come inside,
Wait, no, Lily, have a go.
come in the front room and you'll see what I do. It's me. Sorry, boys.
Uh-oh. That's my elbow, that one. You alright, Bean? Who got the highest? I want to see on the editing.
We do it yesterday. Side and inside.
Where did you get a snail shell?
Just on the grass.
Right. Wait, Beans, what are you doing? You going near the road? I might have to censor some things. Not sure.
Why on earth is a Lister?
Beans, play us something, Beans.
Okay. So, dark blue and a bit of green. I'm sad and happy.
Jesus.